Hey guys, just a quick little refresher here on how to convert from polar to rectangular form. So you've got, well, I mean, this stemmed from the open-ended question, this one here again, right? The one we were talking about before. This is 2009 Form B number 4, and we're going to talk about Part B. So they're asking you about dx d theta, dy d theta, but I only have, r equals, so I need to be able to convert this. Okay, so let's just focus that a little bit better. Okay, so dx d theta, dy d theta, so I need to convert. So here we go. Let's take a look just in general at a triangle here. If I want to do this Cartesian style, this is my x value. This is my y value, and my point here would be xy. If I want to do this point in polar, well, I would need to know this angle, and I would need to know how long this hypotenuse is, which would be the radius. Okay, so this also could be r comma theta. So if I do a little bit of old-fashioned trig ratios, I can use cosine of theta would be x over r. I could do sine of theta equals y over r. Solve for x, x equals r cosine theta. Solve for y, y equals r sine theta, and this is how we convert. So you see how we have r and x, related to each other, and r and y related to each other. So for our example in here, we've got r equals 1 minus 2 cosine theta. So if r equals 1 minus 2 cosine theta, and I want to solve for x and y, well, x is going to be 1 minus 2 cosine theta, cosine theta. Right, here's r, that's r, and there's just cosine theta. Okay, that's not divided, that's, sorry. Okay, there's my formula. X equals r cosine theta. So x equals cosine theta minus 2 cosine squared theta, and they're asking me for dx d theta. Dx d theta would be negative sine theta minus 4 cosine theta, chain rule kicker. Clean that up just a little bit. Negative sine theta plus cosine theta sine theta. And there's my dx d theta, etc., etc. Okay, you could probably do y now. So sometimes they do that, and the way to notice that is they specifically asked you for dx d theta. They didn't ask for dr d theta. If they asked for dr d theta, then you would just do the derivative of this as is. Okay, and that's a little bit of old school conversion with some AP style polar bears kicker. Okay, let me know if you need any more help. I'll see you later.